Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It's Monday, March 10th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so I want to show you a few things here, folks, on the on the daily chart on the S&P. So this is the daily chart. And Rob talked about over the weekend that, we were definitely in a downtrend. And when you look at the indicators I have here between the champion cross and then the Heikin-Ashi candles, you see all these flat tops, again, continuing to show you the bearishness formations, as well as today's daily candle, as well as some breakout forecasts, right? So at this point, it looks like we still want to continue lower. Again, the initial trigger as well with the TRP tools here, looking at the TRP cross here and then the Laguerre, right? That modified Laguerre I use a lot with my day trading as well. You can see that, just a beautiful, beautiful signal. We talk about that all the time in the WealthCharts live training room. And when we see those combinations, we really, really like to look at opportunities. And so the overall is bearish. So then if we go to the 1 minute chart on the S&P today, again, we were in the WealthCharts live training room. And I had a trade this morning at roughly 10:18. And basically what I had here was, you can see we had a nice downtrend. Okay, so the first thing I look at is what is the trend and does the Heikin-Ashi algorithm agree with it? Okay, today it did all day basically. And so then when you have that, you look for these retracements with entries. You see the flat top here. You see the TRP cross I was talking about on the daily earlier and the Laguerre. Okay, that's a recipe for success. And again, in this case, we got 8 ticks out of it on the S&P, and then I exited because of the consolidation, going back to that consolidation point that we talk about all the time in that WealthCharts live training room, okay? And then there were some more continuations as well. I did not take those two, just based on what I told you in the room that, again, it was a little bit more aggressive. We didn't have quite the retracements in the indicators that I was looking for. Okay? Then in the afternoon, okay, when I came back after a break, had some really good opportunities. The one I took this afternoon, again, you'll start seeing, you probably can pick it out as I'm talking about it. You see TRP cross, Laguerre, back in the direction of the trend, flat tops. What a beautiful, beautiful trade around 1 o'clock, right? And then again, you can see it again here on the screen at 1:30, okay? This is the one I took today in my prop account as well. And again, we're just looking for those opportunities. We can be very, very selective in what we look for. Okay? Let me bring up crude as well. Okay, I'm going to bring up the 1 minute crude. And you can see here towards the end of the day, we had some really, really good setups again here. So notice again the theme. So we're in a downtrend, TRP cross, Laguerre right here, retracement, TRP cross. Okay, these are some really good opportunities. And if you look at it at the start of the day, again, as we were in that downtrend earlier at the beginning of the US Open, let me just bring that over for you and load it real quick here. Okay, so what you can see here is at 9 o'clock, okay, the crude oil pit opens up. But again, look at this beautiful, beautiful opportunity here right after like 9:40. Same type of situation that we look for, okay? And the time, I was looking at ES, so I did not trade the crude, but same identical looking setup here, folks. That's what we look for in the live training room. So great, great day today. Hope you all continue to come into the WealthCharts live training room, join me, learn from what I'm doing, and hope at that point you can continue to grow your prop account. So have a great evening, everybody, and hope to see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Take care.